From the 22nd of the 4th month of 1437, it's the 6th of the 3rd month of 1443. Another is translating spiritual exercise and Beck Dream 2 Discourses by Harold Klemp, Lesson 11. The graven image on page 256 of the Eck Dream 2 Discourses by Harold Klemp is pretty easily explained by the caption that refers to a nurse pretending to hold hands with Harold Klemp over a patient. The drawing seems to have her pointing to the unconscious person, but he is strangely focused on her. The hidden meaning of a higher initiate opening themselves to be a vehicle for the Mahanta, exalted personality, or whatever comes in for the lower circle Eckists, Eckankar practitioners, is shown by the glow around her and the projection of Harold Klemp. Now 256 is an interesting number because that is the verse in Surah 2 of Al-Quran that is most known for freedom of religion. Huge